Well, guys, I'm starting again trying to plant something. This is the actually it's the soil that you use to plant seed start mix. I'll plant a pack of sorrel today and see what happens. This is how this sorrel seeds look, y'all. They very small and dark. I'm just sprinkling them out of the bag, y'all. And just noticed that the packet is empty, so I know I got it out of there. Some things you can't hardly see when you're putting it in a container. Oh well, y'all. Here goes the little watering. Okay. And give my other little stuff very little water. The little seedlings, the little seeds I planted the other day. Try to give them a little water every day.